Are you looking for expert help with your taxes? Let me introduce you to enrolled agents, or EAs. Enrolled agents are federally authorized tax practitioners empowered by the U.S. Department of the Treasury. They represent taxpayers before the IRS for tax issues, including audits, collections, and appeals. Here's why the EA designation is so significant in the U.S. First, their expertise in tax matters. EAs are tax specialists who have demonstrated in-depth knowledge through a rigorous exam or by working at the IRS for 5 years. They stay current with tax laws and regulations through ongoing education, ensuring you receive accurate and up-to-date advice. Second, representation rights. EAs have unlimited practice rights before the IRS, meaning they can handle all types of tax matters and represent clients in any state. They advocate for their clients during audits, appeals, and collections, providing critical support when you need it most. Third, credibility and trust. Federal authorization by the Treasury Department gives EAs a high level of credibility. Taxpayers can trust that an EA has met stringent professional standards and adheres to strict ethical guidelines. Fourth, accessibility. Unlike CPAs and attorneys who might have broader practices, EAs are often more accessible to average taxpayers needing specialized tax help. They offer a cost-effective solution for tax representation and preparation, often at a lower cost than CPAs or tax attorneys. Finally, the legislative and historical context. The EA designation originated in 1884 to address fraudulent claims for Civil War loss compensation. This historical context underscores the government's need for qualified tax representatives. The IRS oversees EAs, requiring them to pass background checks and comply with continuing education, ensuring they maintain their qualifications and ethical standards. In conclusion, enrolled agents play a crucial role in the U.S. tax system by providing specialized, credible, and accessible tax expertise and representation. They are invaluable resources for taxpayers navigating the complexities of tax regulations and issues. If you need expert tax help, consider reaching out to an enrolled agent today.